Hello students, and welcome back to High Magick Practices. In this episode, we delve into Section 4, the Kabbalah. This essential part of the Neophyte Grade lecture in the Golden Dawn paves the way for your advancement into the Zealot Grade. Today, we'll break down the basics of the Kabbalah in a friendly, easy-to-understand way. The word Kabbalah means tradition in Hebrew. It comes from the root word meaning to receive, referring to the ancient custom of passing down esoteric wisdom through generations. While its exact origins are debated, Kabbalah carries traces of Egyptian, Greek, and Chaldean influences, blending into a unique mystical system. At its core, Kabbalah is a body of mystical principles that underpins the Western Esoteric Tradition, with many spiritual systems tracing their roots to the Kabbalistic tree of life. Etz HaChayim, sometimes called the Ladder of Lights, because it maps both the descent of divine energy into the physical world and the path for our spiritual ascent back to unity with divine. Mysticism, as taught in the Kabbalah, isn't something you can communicate directly. It's expressed through symbolism and metaphor. The aim is to reveal the hidden mysteries of the divine and the deep connection between the divine realm and our human experience. As you study these arcane symbols, you're learning to unlock eternal secrets that have inspired seekers for centuries. Notable magicians like Regardie have described Kabbalah as a trustworthy guide to understanding both the universe and your inner self. Beyond its mystical path, Kabbalah offers insights into the origins of the cosmos, angelic hierarchies, and even the practice of magic. Aleister Crowley defined magic as the science and art of causing change to occur in conformity with will, while Dion, who called Kabbalah the yoga of the West, spoke of it in terms of changes in consciousness. In essence, Kabbalah provides the theoretical foundation that turns these ideas into practical, transformative magic, teaching us to harness universal laws and reshape both outer circumstances and inner awareness. This vibrant and ever-evolving philosophy not only unveils the universal laws governing existence, but also provides practical guidance on integrating spiritual principles into daily life. By focusing on key symbols, like the Tree of Life, Etz HaChayim, you align with archetypes that foster balanced spiritual growth. As you work with the spheres of energy, called Sephiroth or Sephiroth, these are the 10 feminine structured emanations of the divine, derived from the word Sephira or Spheha, meaning sphere. You'll begin to experience these forces, reorganizing your inner world. Think of it like awakening dormant divine powers within you, sparking new channels of inspiration through meditation and ritual. Over time, this process purifies your consciousness, guiding you toward union with your higher self, symbolized by Kether, the first Sephirah of divine light. Some may think Kabbalah is solely a patriarchal system because of its Hebrew roots, but that's not the case. Consider the word Elohim, formed from the feminine noun Eloha and a masculine plural ending, Im. It embodies both male and female aspects. This balance is hidden in plain sight, like in Genesis chapter 1, verses 26 to 27, where the divine says, "Let us make humankind in our image. Male and female he created them." Even the Sephiroth with their feminine plural ending, Ot, reflect this harmony as they structure and give form to divine energy. Kabbalah's teachings, though sometimes obscured over time, celebrate this sacred equilibrium. Kabbalah can be divided into 4 branches: where each one reveals a way of connecting with the divine. For instance, there's Dogmatic Kabbalah, which involves a deep study of sacred texts, such as the Torah, Zohar, Behir, and Sefer Yetzirah. Then there's Practical Kabbalah, where the focus shifts to crafting talismans and engaging in ceremonial magic. If you're intrigued by the hidden layers of language, Literal Kabbalah offers a way to explore gematria, uncovering secret meanings within Hebrew letters and numbers. And finally, Unwritten Kabbalah is all about mastering the symbolism of the Tree of Life, known as Etz HaChayim, which serves as a profound map of existence. As Neophyte, you should focus on the Unwritten Kabbalah. It's your gateway to grasping universal archetypes without getting lost in ancient texts. For deeper dives, check out Gershom Shalem's book Kabbalah, which maps its rich history. So, that is it for today. Please don't miss the next episode, where we introduce Section 5, the Sephiroth, the 10 divine spheres that act as bridges between the infinite and your daily life. If you enjoyed this session, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow seekers. Your support on Patreon or PayPal keeps us producing exclusive content for your magical journey. Until next time, remember the path to enlightenment is a journey of 1,000 steps, each one taken with intention and love. May the divine guide your way.